Welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making banana bread. Okay, so let's get started. I have my flour here. I already sieved my flour. 2 cups. So this is 2 cups of flour and half cup of almond milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, and we're gonna put 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon salt. I'm gonna use 4 bananas because they're small, and a stick of butter. I'm gonna put some nuts in it, half cup walnuts. Okay, so let's get started now. I'm gonna start with my sugar in here. And my butter. I'm gonna cream my butter and sugar together. As you see, I'm using plant butter. If you're vegan, you leave the egg off. Leave the eggs off and put one tub applesauce if you are vegan. And you're already using plant butter, so I think that's the only difference. And you use almond milk. You don't have to use the regular milk. But today I'm gonna use eggs. I'm not gonna use the applesauce today. Okay? Just wanna cream my butter. Creaming lets it turn down the sound. It's not as loud. Okay? Because it's gonna take a while to just go up. Let's go. Just cream that real well. Come over here. Okay, I'm gonna, these are really small. If you use 4, I have to use all of it. They're so small. Come this side. Small bananas. Okay, you can just use a masher. Just mash. Don't have a masher, you just use a fork. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's rinse off my Okay. I think we're good to go over here. We're gonna just put our eggs in. Yeah, we're good to go over here. Put our eggs in. Always crack your eggs into a bowl. Make sure that they are good. Okay. Then we're gonna just drop them both in. Let's clean together. This can go over here. This over here. Okay, let me get this side down. Sugar. Okay. Okay, great. Let's go back up. Our half cup of milk in. our this back up. Using 1 teaspoon ingredients. Let's mix this together. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Teaspoon salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon baking soda. I should do my baking soda before I put that. So it doesn't get cinnamon in my baking soda. One teaspoon baking soda. Let me mix that together. Let's mix this together. Cinnamon smells so good. Wow. And then we're gonna finish up all white ingredients here. Just 1 teaspoon vanilla. Yeah. That's it. Finish with those. Making sure I get everything. Gonna add our flour. Take our time and add the flour. gonna put our banana in. Let's rest and see what's going on. I'm gonna just finish mix with my hand. Here. Where's my... Here. Okay, let me see what's going on. See guys? All ready to put our nuts in now. Everything in. Just ready for the nuts. Smells good. We're gonna put some flour in our nuts that it doesn't get stick to the bottom. Just a little bit. We're good to go. Honey nut bread. Okay, just fold this in gently. Okay. Can't wait to eat this bread. Much. Oh, you should remind me to preheat the oven, Lex. Now we have to go let it sit out. Okay, this is what I use to spray my pan, and it come out real fine. Yep. Now I'm gonna drop mine. This thing can get almost everything out. everything out. Take the pan out. Okay. Put it right in the middle. Let me take that pan out where it's right. Okay. See you in 45 minutes. We're gonna look at it in 45 minutes. See if it's ready. Okay. Oh, come on in, guys. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's not ready. It's not ready, guys. See? Give it another 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I think we are ready now to go. Let's turn it around. Stick it in there. See? It's clean. All done. Okay. Okay. Look how pretty that looks. This is our naan bread, guys. Oh. I'm gonna let it rest a minute then. Put it on the rack to cool, and then we come back, we cut it together, okay guys? I wonder if I can take it out now. Just when I get it on the rack. Take it off. Look at the bottom. Okay. Look at that. We're gonna make it cool. And then when we come back, we cut, okay? Let me see. Wow. Isn't she lovely? You ready? Okay, guys, we are ready to cut our bread. Drum roll. Boom, boom. It's on. Okay, guys, now we're ready to cut our bread. Take the ends off. Real thick. Look at the inside, guys. Look at those nuts. Look at those nuts. at it. Fluffy, yummy, yummy and fluffy. Look at the inside. Yummy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming into my home. God bless you and stay safe. See you on the next video. Bye.